Here's another day in Kobe, and you're looking right at the port. So that's where I'm headed today. Japan has been a pretty solo trip for me so far, but hey, it's all good. I didn't fly across countries to sit in a hotel room and scroll reels, so we got to roam around. Honestly, I didn't plan anything specific today, just walking in the direction of the sea, and soon enough, I could see boats coming up and the amazing blue waters. Then I reached this huge open space with this giant letter saying Be Kobe, one of those spots where everyone's taking the I was here picture. There was a Starbucks right there with this amazing sea view. Of course, I grabbed a coffee and just took it all in. On the other side, there was this iconic red tower with Port of Kobe written on it. And I spotted a big Ferris wheel and a cruise ship in the distance, so I started walking towards it because why not? And on the way, I saw this elderly man sitting and painting the tower in his sketchbook. I stopped for a bit watching him. He was so focused and so calm. Honestly, it looked like the perfect retirement plan, sitting by the sea, hearing the waves, and painting the town. People here really seem to be living their best, most peaceful lives. I was like, wow, imagine spending your retirement painting by the sea. Goals, right? Then I went up close to that big Ferris wheel and it moves so slowly. You can sit on those little cabins for a ride with views of whole city and the sea. But since I was alone, I just admired it from a distance. Anyway, it was noon by now and I was starving. There were a bunch of cute cafes, but the vegetarian struggle is real in Japan. Eventually, I just walked into this pizza place and guess what? It was my first day of periods. Just imagine. देख रहे हो मेरी dedication घूमने की? You can't afford to just sit around here. I don't know if or when I'll get to come back, so I had to make the most of it. And if you enjoy tagging along with me today, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.